Okay, folks, so we got our 2025 Nissan Rogue, and it has the feature to save you gas where every time you hit a light or stop, it shuts down the car. I don't like this feature at all. First of all, it makes it, there's a delay when you go to take back off, but also the starters on these things cost a fortune, and I know they're supposed to be made to last with all the restarts, but I have to imagine that whatever you save in gas is going to cost you if you ever have to replace the starter early. Over here, if you look to the left of your steering wheel, there's a button that says auto off. So we're going to take that button and hit the auto off, and you're going to see, I don't know if you saw that on the dashboard, I'll push it again. On the dashboard, it flashes stop, auto off. So that's what we want to do. Anyway, that will stop it from turning off on you. So hopefully this video helped. Anyway, if you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel.